To install the field transport kit on a 2025 RZR Pro S or Pro XP, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat surface, ensure it is in park, turn the key to the off position and remove. Then, remove and retain the 4 cargo box fasteners. Slide the cargo box rearward to remove. Now, align the bed bracket with the cargo box walls and bed. Use the bracket as a template to drill 4 holes in the cargo box. Refer to the written instructions for the Pro R model bed bracket procedure. Then, install 2 backer plates, 4 screws, and 4 nuts. Make sure the screws and backer plates are on the exterior of the cargo box. Torque to specification. After this, reinstall the cargo box by sliding it back into the vehicle. Make sure the front tabs slide into the vehicle body. Secure it with the 4 cargo box fasteners. Then, install the fuel can over the tank mount. Place the container on the surface mount base. With the container pressed firmly against the mount base, insert the T-knob and turn it clockwise until light contact is made between the container and both the T-knob detents. Turn the T-knob clockwise 1.5 times, or 540 degrees. Make sure both T-knob detents engage both container detents. Begin by removing the fuel can from the vehicle and place it onto the ground on a flat surface. Next, push down on the locking tab. Then, hold down the locking tab and slowly turn the gas cap to vent the can. To install the spout, begin by removing the spout storage pouch. Next, push the locking tab down. Then, hold the locking tab and turn the cap. After this, remove the cap and dust cap. Now, open the spout storage pouch and remove the spout. Continue by putting the spout on the filler neck. Install the cap and make sure the hook on the spout is placed down. Finally, tighten the cap and re-ensure the hook on the spout is placed down. To dispense fuel, begin by putting the spout in the vehicle filler neck. Make sure the hook on the spout rests against the filler neck. Next, turn the collar at the base of the spout to unlock. Then, hold the collar in the unlock position and push on the spout to dispense fuel. Finally, lift the spout out of the filler opening to stop dispensing fuel. To store the spout, begin by pushing the locking tab down and turning the fuel cap to remove. Next, remove the spout. Then, install the dust cap and fuel cap. After this, turn the cap to tighten. Now, put the spout in the pouch. Continue by putting the right pocket inside the left pocket. Then, attach the hook and loop on the closure. Finally, attach the pouch to the fuel can using the hook and loop fasteners. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.